Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing well. So welcome to our YouTube channel Technical Ubed. We are back again with a new video after a very long time. So sorry for that first of all. So now in today's video we will also tell you about best AI website to create a logo within 2 minutes. So watch the video till end. This video will be very beneficial for you. So if you like this video, then please share this video with your friends and also press the bell icon for our updates. So now first of all we simply need to come here on logo AI website, enter your logo name. You can always make change later. We simply need to write the name of our logo here, slogan. Also we can write here. Now we simply need to write here health and fitness. To create a demo logo from this website, we need to skip the slogan option, click on the continue button. Now we have the options to select industry. We have multiple options here. You can see that travel, sport, fitness, and also many options available. I need to select the educational option, and now we need to select the color, and now we need to select the font style for our logo. Then this website will create free logos for us. So now our logos are generated through this AI website. Now you can see that all our logos are generated. We can also edit these logos. We can remove the watermark of the website, and you can see that we have many logos are available here. We can change the name here, we can change the color, we can change the fonts, and we can also change the symbols. So we also have more. If you want to see the more logos, then click on see more logos. And this website is very beneficial for those who are looking for best and creative logos. And the main feature of this website is that this AI website is totally free. They are not taking any subscription fee. We simply need to log in with our Gmail account here, and then we can easily access to all these logos without any watermark. We can now you can see that we can change the style of fonts for all logos. Simply need to click on OK. We can also change the symbol, we can also change the color, we can also add our own symbols. We can also change the name of the logo here from this option. So that's why this is a very amazing website for you. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel Technical Ubed, and also press the bell icon for our further updates. Thank you so much. Stay tuned with us. You will find best quality content on this channel. Bye bye.